All right, so this is going to be muscle energy technique for the lower cervical spine or upper thoracic, that CT junction area, and then down below the torso here, and then into the lumbar spine, depending on where you're stuck. So we talked about the torso moving, we talked about like here being like the hinge point. So you want to have it nice and balanced, and you'll be able to kind of tell with a little practice of what's tight stuck. So you can palpate those. I'll start up high, again, kind of like just in the nook of the neck there. So following the shoulder to where it meets the neck and back behind, I can grip that a little bit back here like so. And then I'm just gonna grip that right in the nook and keep that there with my opposite hand. So the idea is if I turn my head, just like we did with the towel there, I can kind of guide that movement. I'm going to go real gentle, but what I really want to do here is this is more of a self-mobilization, real gentle again. But if I want to actually do a muscle energy technique to reset the tension balance between the muscles, this is really effective without the need to do some kind of manipulation that could be potentially a little risky. I'm going to put my forearm against my cheekbone here, not my jaw, because especially if you have TMJ issues, you don't want to really stress that. I'm going to come across here, and I'm going to resist it. I'm going to try to turn my head back that way as I hold my arm here. And you can even use your other arm here and brace like that if you want, or you can be even down here a little bit, but you're going to resist as you pull there about 5-6 seconds, and then go a little farther, and then again 5-6 seconds, a little farther, and you just kind of gently ratchet yourself there, and I emphasize gentle. And you can go on the other side, same thing, kind of push against, ease through, push against, ease through, and you're just kind of gently moving that direction. You'll be able to tell which way is more limited, and then you can kind of recheck and make sure that's moving okay. Same thing for down here. If I'm trying to get, like, if my left side is stuck and it's tight or difficult for me to go to the right, I can grab my thigh here with both arms, and I can draw in my core and stabilize and try to twist with anchoring my arms. Don't overpower your arms because the core is pretty strong. 5-6 seconds, relax, go a little farther, 5-6 seconds, relax, a little farther. So you'll kind of ratchet yourself that way. And you can do that both ways as well, but especially if you notice restriction in one direction, that's the way you want to try to direct yourself. You're just trying to reset the balance of tension there to allow things to go back into neutral so you can move smoothly through both without interference or excessive tightness or pain. Good.